Dear students, when you are preparing for NEET, understand the weightage of the chapters. So this will help you to focus on the important chapter to a greater extent, but still prepare all the chapters. Let us see how the questions were distributed across chapters in case of biology. In case of biological classification, we had one question in 2024 and 2025, whereas there was no question in 2023. Plant kingdom, we had 3 questions in 2023, 1 question in 24, and 2025 we had 4 questions. Animal kingdom, every year we had 4 questions. Structural organization in animals, we had 3 questions in 2023, 4 in 2024 and 4 again in 2025. Morphology of flowering plants, NEET 2023 we had 3 questions, 24 3 questions again, and 25 we had 2 questions. Anatomy of flowering plants, we had 2 questions in 2023, 3 in 2024 and 1 question in 2025. Cell unit of life, we had 2 questions in 2023, 4 questions in 2024 and 3 questions in 2025. Cell cycle and cell division, we had 5 questions in 2023, 3 questions in 2024 and 1 question in 2025. Biomolecules, we had 3 questions in 2023, 6 in 24 and 4 in 2025. Photosynthesis in higher plants, we had 3 questions in 23, 24 and 25 we had 2 questions. Respiration in plants, 2 questions in 23, 3 in 24 and 1 in 25. Plant growth and development, 2 questions in 23, 3 in 24 and 2 in 25. Body fluids and circulation, 2 questions in 2023 and 24 and 1 question in 2025. Breathing and exchange of gases, 1 question in 23 and 24. Excretory products and their elimination, we had 2 questions in 2023 and 24 and 1 question in 2025. Locomotion and movement, we had 3 questions in 23, 1 in 24 and there was no question in 25. Neural coordination and control, 1 question in 23, 2 questions in 24 and there was no question in 25. Chemical coordination integration, 2 questions in 23, 2 in 24 and 4 in 2025. Sexual reproduction in flowering plants, 3 questions in 23, 3 in 24 and 6 questions in 2025. Human reproduction, 2 questions in 23, 3 in 24 and 4 questions in 2025. Reproductive health, 3 questions in 2023 and 2024 and 2025 we had only 1 question. Principles of inheritance, 5 questions in 23, 6 questions in 2024 and 4 questions in 2025. Molecular basis of inheritance, 7 questions in 23, 5 questions in 24 and 8 questions in 2025. Evolution, 1 question in 2023, 3 questions in 24 and 1 question again in 2025. Human health and diseases, 4 questions we had in 2023 and 24 and 5 questions in 2025. Microbes and human welfare, 1 question in 2024 and 4 questions in 2025. Biotechnology, in principles, we had 4 questions in 23, 5 questions in 24 and 6 questions in 25. In applications of biotechnology, 2 questions in 24 and 3 questions in 25. Organisms and population, 4 questions in 2023, 3 questions in 24 and 3 questions again in 25. Biodiversity and conservation, 2 questions in 23, 3 questions in 24 and again 2 questions in 25. Ecosystem, 4 questions in 23, 1 question in 24 and again 4 questions in 25.